In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, link, and customize a button on Wix. So if you've ever wanted to enhance the interactivity of your website and make your buttons more appealing and functional, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First things first, we're going to start by heading over to the Wix website editor for your site. If you're logged into your Wix account, you'll find the website editor under My Sites. Just click on Edit Site and you'll be taken directly to the editor interface where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the plus icon on the left side bar. It's usually marked as Add with a small icon, always ready to provide tools and elements to enhance your site. Clicking this is your doorway to a wide array of options to add to your page, including the button function. As you click on the plus icon, you'll see a menu pop up. Scroll through until you see Button. It's usually pretty straightforward and easy to spot. Clicking on Button brings up a list of button styles and themes to choose from, each offering a unique flair to match your site's design aesthetic. Now here's where you can express some of your creative flair. You'll need to select from the themed options that Wix provides. These themes help you maintain a consistent look throughout your site, which is essential for branding and visual appeal. Select a button that best fits your needs and of course your site's existing theme. After you've selected your button style, it's time to make it functional by adding a link. To do this, click on the link icon that appears upon selecting your button. The link icon is your gateway to turning a static button into a clickable functional feature. This makes it possible for visitors to navigate to key areas of your site with ease. When you click the link icon, a prompt will appear with the option Choose a Page. Clicking on this allows you to link your button to specific pages within your site. Whether you want that button to direct visitors to a contact page, a product page, or any other section, this is where you make it happen. After choosing your target page, the next thing you might consider is resizing your button. Wix allows you to adjust your button size by simply clicking and dragging the edges. This gives you full control over the visual footprint the button will have on your page. As the finishing touch, you'll want to click on Settings. This is usually at the top right of the button editing menu. Here you can further refine the look and feel of your button by editing the text. This could be a call to action or any text that directly communicates with your audience. Make it attractive and informative to enhance user engagement effectively. And there you have it, your very own customized linked button, ready to enhance your site's user experience. Feel free to experiment with different styles and links to see what works best for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips on optimizing your Wix site.